Tip moths are small moths from the genus Rhyacionia. These moths target the shoots, or new growths, of pine tree branches. The larvae chew on pine buds and needles and burrow into the shoots when they mature. This halts tree growth in that direction, causing new growth to redirect. Trees can become stunted, or their growth can twist or flatten out and cause structural issues in the future. In this video, we'll go over how to identify tip moths, how to control them, and how to prevent further infestation. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are many species of tip moth found in the United States, including the more prevalent nantucket pine tip moth. Generally, tip moths have reddish-brown forewings with silver markings and grow up to half an inch in length. However, it's not often you'll actually be able to spot these moths when they're active. As the larvae feed, brown shoots become more noticeable, even from a distance. The tip may excrete sap, and webbing and frass may be present. Keep in mind that the browning of needles toward the tree trunk is more indicative of a pine tree's normal growth pattern. Only when the tips of pine branches and shoots become brown is when pine tip moths are a concern. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Adult moths may emerge from December to April depending on the local climate. Pine tip moths can produce 2 to 5 generations per year, with warmer climates producing more generations. Specific species of moth may target different kinds of pine tree. When tip moths are active, regularly check your trees for browning branch tips and shoots. In spring, you may set pheromone traps to detect when the adult moths have emerged and are flying. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To treat tip moths on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that's labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To cover large treatment areas and higher tree canopies, we recommend you apply this product with a solutions hose end sprayer. To control tip moths, apply the product's labeled rate of 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Aim for complete coverage of the plant's foliage. Tip moths need to come in direct contact with treated areas for the product to have any effect. Tip moths are most vulnerable to pesticide treatment after they hatch into larvae and before they burrow into tree shoots. Eggs hatch about 2 to 3 weeks after adult moths have emerged from their pupae and mated. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated tip moths from your property, maintain the health of your trees with regular watering and pruning. You may also fertilize your trees to provide them with the proper nutrients. Healthy plants are more resilient to damage and can recover more easily from infestation. Dispose of pruned branches away from your property as they may still contain eggs or larvae. Keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so one application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against tip moths and over 70 other pests. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can protect your trees from tip moths, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.